Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have Flutter and null safety. Now start by adding the HTTP or DO package and running Flutter pub-get. Create a simple API service that holds the base URL, common headers, and a reusable get/post method. Define a lightweight model class with from JSON/ to JSON so parsing is consistent. Once done, wire a simple button in a stateful widget to call API service. Fetch and print results to console. This verifies networking before you build UI handling. Now focus on parsing and resilient requests. Await the response, then inside a try-catch parse JSON with your model. From JSON to map fields correctly. Check response. Status code. Treat 200 as success, map 400-499 to client errors and 500+ to server issues so you can show appropriate UI messages. Add timeout and optional cancellation for long requests. Make sure to surface errors through exceptions or result objects, so your widgets can show. Finish by integrating the API service into your state layer. Use provider, riverpod, or set state with change notifier to expose loading, data, and error states to widgets. Once integrated, test with a real endpoint and with a mock server to validate responses and network behavior. If something breaks, log status code, response body, request headers, and ensure Android/iOS network permissions are set. Also check cores when using web. Make small iterative fixes and retest until stable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.